y'all doing? How are you guys? It's been a few weeks, right? It's been a few weeks now since I've been on the camera with you all on this channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to everyone who's been with me since day one. You're tuned into Living Modestly Naturally DIYz. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris, and this video I just wanted to come on here real quick to let you in on some of the things that I'm working on. I've been trying to work on these past couple of weeks for my next DIYs. These I have coming up, it's kind of like repeats, but I've been working on some fragrances that I've been just spending weeks of trial and error with the one. There's one that I've been working on more than the others. So I just want to show you what I do in as far as when I'm testing out fragrances, like what technique I like to use. I have a video about that. It's called a drop by drop method, but I'm going to show you how I do it. So basically, what I have here is a little container, right? Inside of this container, I have a piece of tissue paper. And so what I do is here, this set of fragrances is for my carpet freshener. Okay, I put lavender, jasmine, cherry blossom, and rose, okay, in here. And what I do is I just simply take, like, for example, I'll take like the fragrance. I'm just using this as an example. Say, for instance, open it up and pour a little drop, and then I'll do that with all of the fragrances all of the essential oils or fragrance oils that I'm using. I put a little drop into the tissue paper, and then I put it in the container and let it sit for a few weeks, and then I'll test it out. I'll smell it to see if I like it. If I want to add something more to it, I'll add. If I want to take away something, I'll take away. And then if I don't like it at all, I'll go right back to the drawing board to find out. Hold on. Sorry about that. That was my son. And so, okay, so what I basically do, I put a few drops into the tissue paper, and then of each of the essential oils or fragrance oils that I'm looking about to use to put together, and then I'll let it sit for a couple of weeks or a few days depending, and then I'll check. If I like the scent, then what I'll do is I will use that as my combination. But if I don't like it, I'll either add something, take away something, or start all over from scratch. And so these past couple of weeks have been pretty daunting because the carpet freshener fragrance that I wanted to make, I tried, like, there was a few fragrances I put together and I wasn't liking it at all. Like, it's a lot of trial and error this time, but I wanted to make sure whatever I put out here for you all to share, that it's gonna be really good. And so I think I found the right combination that I particularly like and I would like to share. So please be on the lookout for that video coming up. Is a carpet freshener video. Here's the fragrances that I'm gonna put together for you guys. So, and then next I have same thing, same method, drop by drop, with a couple of drops of each essential oil or fragrance oil into a tissue paper, and then let it set. And then also don't forget to label your testers. Basically, put down the name of each fragrance oil or essential oil, write it down, and then also what you are making it for. Like, so I put room spray right here. This is room and linen spray, and then I put the name of each of the essential oils or fragrance oils I'm using. Okay, so I want to show you in the next clip how I do this, and this is for my next another upcoming DIY. So I have a carpet freshener DIY coming up. Please be on the lookout for that. Then I have a room linen spray that's coming up, spray that that's coming up as well, and this one too. This set of fragrances is for the first time I've done this on this channel, and it's gonna be a body oil for men. Guess what? Holidays coming up. Father's Day, okay? So please, I'm gonna see if I can put out this video before Father's Day. So please be on the lookout for that video. I want to help you ladies or gentlemen, if you have a dad or a father figure out there that you would like to give this wonderful concoction, this body oil to, please check out that video when it comes through. Please be on the lookout and try it, and hopefully they will like it. So see you in the next clip. I'm going to show you step by step on how I do the method. Alright everyone, so that's it for now, and I just wanted again to come on here and just show you what I've been working on. Yeah, it's been, taking me a few weeks to work on my next set of fragrances that I wanted to share with you all for my upcoming DIYs, but I finally got something in the works to share with everyone. And so I'm thankful for all of you who have subscribed to this channel. I thank you for all the likes. I thank you for the comments, the encouraging words, just everything that you all have been bringing here on this platform. I appreciate each and every one of you, and our community is growing. So please stay tuned for the videos coming up. Stay tuned for just different types of content that I'll be bringing as far as DIY is concerned. Okay, you all, thank you so much. Once again, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And before I go, I also wanted to encourage any of you that are on your journey to making fragrances or coming up with different scents to create your products. Don't give up. It's gonna be a little bit challenging at times. Sometimes you'll come up in a situation where you'll try something and you think this combo is good, and then you smell it and it's like, oh, it smells bad. So then, you have to go back to the drawing board. But I just want to let you know, don't give up. Retrace your steps. If there's something you have to add it to make it better. Or if it's something that you have to take away, and then try again. Take your time. It's not a rush thing. Sometimes you'll get something right then and there. You'll come up with something right then and there, and you write it down and you keep it, in your books or whatever, keep record of it. And then sometimes you may make a mistake and make something and you don't like it, but it's okay. Take your time and you'll come up with some nice fragrances to make your products smell beautiful. Okay, so thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, aim for modesty, carry your beauty naturally, and made in this life grow in you. So I'll see you all in my next video.